Hey TactStackers, in this quick win, we'll be covering call to action forms. What you may not know at this stage of your journey is that every website should have a call to action form where somebody can enter their details to claim some sort of offer. If you don't have a call to action form on your website yet, or you just want to add more of them, this video will show you how to install one on your website. It's super easy and it will generate a ton of free leads. Okay. So let's learn how to create our form. To create our form, we just need to go to Sites over here in the left-hand sidebar. And at the top, we'll go to Forms and Builder. From here, we're going to go to the top right and do Add Form. The first thing I like to do is name it so I don't forget. So we're going to go up here to Options and change this to Claim Offer for this example. Then I'm going to go back over to Fields and I'm going to start plugging in what I need on my form. Typically, your call to action form will have a field for full name, email, and phone number. So let's go ahead and plug those in. Then of course our form will need a button. So let's go ahead and drag that over as well. Okay, so now that we have our button, let's click it and give it a different name. And we want it to match our offer. So we're going to change it to Claim Offer. And you can see here, you can edit your button. You can do the font color, the size, the weight. But for this example, I'm just going to make it full width. And then I'm going to click out of here. Then we're going to want to add some text above our input fields. Again, for now, we'll use Claim Our Awesome Offer. So let's drag our text over to the top. And within here, we'll change this to Claim Our Awesome Offer. And again, you can see you can change the font color, the size, weight, background. So for this, I'm just going to make it 30. And then I'm going to go up here and center it. And that looks pretty good to me. From here, I'm going to go ahead and save the form at the bottom here. Okay, now that we've built our form, let's learn how to put this on our website. If your website is on the platform here, we're going to go up to the Websites tab and then click to our site. And here's our website. Next, I'm going to click this Edit button here on our home page and go to Edit Page. All right, now that we're on our page, you can see at the top, we have our pop-up option. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Now we're going to click here to add a row, add one column, and then our element here is what we'll click, and that's where we're going to add our form. So here we'll search the one that we just made, so I can see right here, Claim Offer. Now we've got our call to action form and our pop-up, but before we learn how to launch it, check this out. If you click the Open Pop-up Settings at the top here, and then we scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see here the very last option is a toggle to show the pop-up on exit. This means that we can launch this pop-up when someone tries to leave the page. It's a great way to get the call to action form in front of someone even if they don't click a button. Okay, that cool feature's out of the way. Let's learn how to launch the form from buttons. We'll close out of our pop-up, then select our button. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change our text to match our offer. So over here in the left, change that to Claim Offer. And then right here we have our action button. So we want to make sure that that is on pop-up, open pop-up. All right, since that's on pop-up, we're going to go ahead and hit Save at the top right. Now we have our website and a new tab. I'm going to hit Claim Offer and boom, There's our call to action form. And we're now set up to generate leads right off this page. Now, if you're not hosting your site on our platform, let's learn how to launch this form on a site that's hosted elsewhere. So I'm going to navigate out of this. So we navigated back to our website area where we're going to go back up to forms. And then I'm going to go back to the form we just created. So you can either search here or mine's right here. And at the bottom on the right-hand side, I'm going to hit Integrate Form. And we can embed this form on any website with options to have it stick to the left, slide in, pop up, or just be an inline form on any page you want. Select the option you like. You'll get a few options here, but once you've got it configured to your liking, you'll just click this button to copy the code, and then you'll paste that code into the website. And with that, congratulations. You now know how to build and launch a call to action form to your website. Stay tuned and I'll catch you in the next quick win.